Namaste and welcome back to Smart Credit Bytes. I'm your host Sangeeta Sharma, MSME Credit Educator and your friendly credit guide. Let me start today with a simple truth. Getting a loan as an MSME is not just about applying and hoping for the best. It's about presenting yourself like someone who understands money and deserves trust. So, if you have been rejected in the past or you are planning to apply soon, this episode is specially for you. Yeah, you. Today I am going to break down how to improve your MSME loan eligibility step by step. No complicated banking words or complicated ratios, just only soft talks. Okay? Because credit, just like your business, works on clarity, consistency, and confidence. Alright. Let's start with the basic because honestly, this is where most people mess up. Think of getting an MSME loan is like preparing for a job interview. You wouldn't walk into a Google wearing flip flops and expect to get hired, right? Same logic applies here. Okay, first thing first. What exactly is an MSME? It's not just a fancy word. Micro, small, and medium enterprises have a specific definition based on investment and turnover. Let me break this down. A quick review only, I promise. Micro enterprises where the investment in plant and machinery is up to 2.5 crore and turnover does not exceed 10 crores. Small enterprises are where investment is up to 25 crores and turnover does not exceed 100 crores. Now, medium enterprises where investment is up to 125 crores and turnover is up to maximum 500 crores. Now, why does this matter? Because each category has different loan schemes, interest rate, and criteria. You need to know exactly where you fit. Let me tell you a short story that will make this more clear to you. I once met a Rajesh who ran a small manufacturing unit. He was applying for loans meant for micro enterprises when he actually qualified as a small enterprises. Result, he was missing out on better loan amounts or lower interest rate. Don't be just like him. Okay, let's clear one thing first. Eligibility is not a magical score. It's combination of how credible, stable, prepared you appear on paper and in person. To a banker, eligibility is a mix of clean and believable financials, healthy credit history, clean purpose of the loan, and your own behavior as a borrower. Think of it like this: a bank is investing in you, not just your business. So, how do you show them you are worth it? Let's get into real steps, right? Your first step is to get your paperwork in order. And I don't just mean collecting documents, I mean cleaning your numbers. Ask yourself, are my ITRs up to date? Or do my sales match my GST returns? Is my profit low on paper? Because here's the truth. If you show 10 lakh profit but you want a 50 lakh loan, a red flag goes up. And that's where many MSME go wrong. We hide income to save tax but then expect big funding. How? Here's a quick tip from me. Declare profit smartly and at least 2 years of clean and believable ITRs. And make sure your bank transaction and GST returns reflect the same business reality. Now let's go to next step, that is fix your CIBIL and loan history. CIBIL is just not a number, it's your credit story. Many business owners ignore it until rejection happens. But remember, even a single missed EMI or a check return can damage your credibility. What do you do right now? Check your CIBIL for free online. Make sure there are no unpaid credit cards or delays. Avoid giving personal guarantees to friends or relatives if you can't track them. If your score is low, don't panic. Start by repaying small dues, consistently for 6 months. It rebuilds your trust. Now, next step, build banking display. This one is massively underrated. Your bank statement speaks louder than your ITR. Here's what bankers silently observe. Are your sales coming directly into the bank regularly? That is why they always ask for your last 6 months to 1 year account statement where you are routing your sales. So now next, do you maintain a balance or is it always at just minimum balance, that is suppose we say 1000? They also check for the check bounced or overdrawn limits. What can be the smart moves? Just use one main current account for your business, not multiple. Avoid unnecessary cash withdrawals. If not needed, don't do it. Go maximum for account transfers. Stop bouncing checks. Even once is enough to raise the eyebrows. And if it is for funds, this gives a big red flag to banker. A clean 6 month statement is like gold for your credit file. So just prepare it before you need that big loan. Step number 4 is prepare a clean loan proposal. You would be shocked how many people say loan चाहिए 25 lakh, but when asked why, they fumble. They don't know why. Clarity is power. Your proposal must include loan amount, purpose, repayment plan, and how the loan will improve your business. Even if it's in simple bullet points, it shows that you thought it though. You can even write it on a paper with pen. No need to provide such a big project report. You should know what you are going to do with loan amount and how will it help to improve your business and what funds will be generated to repay the loan. Here's a bonus tip from me. Include a basic projection sheet, your expected sales, expenses, and EMI for the next year. Banks love proactive borrowers. Next step is start small, build big. If your business is still small or your credit score is average, don't jump straight into a 1 crore loan. Start with a small, suppose I say 5 to 10 working capital limit. Just take 5 lakh or 10 lakh working capital limit and that will be enough. Just repay it, use it properly. Overdraft with 2 years of repayment or even a small government bank loan under CGTMS CIBIL work. Once you build your repayment history, your file becomes stronger and banks trust you with bigger amounts. Credit is just like reputation. You build it with consistent behavior. Now I have a bonus step. Talk like a business owner. Right? This is not a checklist. It's about you showing up confidently as the owner of your own business. When you meet a bank manager, be clear, be honest, carry your numbers. Don't say मुझे पैसा चाहिए. Say here's what I'm building and here's how we will repay you. That mindset alone can shift how people look at you. So here's your action plan from me. Clean your books, fix your credit, build banking discipline, prepare a clear proposal, start where you are, grow step by step. And most importantly, don't just fear rejection. Rejection is always redirection. Fix what's weak and try again. Become more stronger and more smarter. If this episode helped you, even a little bit, share it with your business owner you know. Follow Smart Credit Bytes on Spotify and join me on every Monday and Thursday as we simplify MSME finance one bite at a time. Until next time, learn, grow, and get credit ready. Thank you. This is Sangeeta signing off.